Mayoreto ni marakara atungati arwaru kaunti-ini ya Meru matumite thabari ya kwetha kiboto kiao makithiururuka wabici-ini cia Governor Isaac Mutuma ni kiria mugite abingeire maitho mabata mao maria ni bamwe na ngirimiti ya mirutire ya wira na kuongererwo misara.
We are here because you have neglected the Department of Health. So this strike has been occasioned by your negligence and even arrogance, because even you are saying that you cannot meet our leadership which is in Meru because they are incompetent. That shows you are incompetent.
Tukitumana hawa maofisa wetu kwa ofisi zake, anasema hajui kama kuna CBA. Juzi akakuja kutembea na makaratasi akituletea kwamba tuweze kusaini. Mnanisikiza? Sisi ni madharau ilioje. Ukachukua CBA tarehe 2 mwezi wa 2, ukaja ukakaa nayo ukaiweka tu pale kwa shelf ikigather dust.
Mugomo uyu uria wingirite kiumia gia kathatu matongoretio ni mwandiki munene wa kiama kia arigitani bururi-ini George Gibore. Arigitani aya maiketie iteta makiuga thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru irabuthira aruto kurigita arwaru undu uria ni ugwati kuri muingi.
I'm already told kwamba students are being forced to see patients. We want to know who is ordering students to see patients.
We are telling the governor, ile pesa anapatiana na anaambiwa imefanya kazi ya promotion the department is only being utilized to promote one cadre. And we are saying that is discrimination, and that's why these clinical officers from Meru, they have down their tools because of the ineffectiveness of that office.
Makioro ta Governor Mutuma mugite amekereire matubamba uwate ugutire iteta ria arigitani arenda kuigwa na wakurakaria makiria ni kuona aronoreria mbeca mitaratara-ini ya ukuria ta waki wa barabara na gutiganiria rubonge rwa utungata.
We want to declare and decree here as clinical officer kwamba sisi hatutaungana na wale watu ambao wananyanyasa healthcare workers, wananyanyasa clinical officers na wananyanyasa watu wa Meru kwa kijumla. Si ni kweli?
Gatagati-ini ka thibitari iria ibutitio makiria na kwaga motungata ni bamwe na thibitari cia ikero cia level 3 na 4 kuria muingi ubanyukagira utungata wa hinahi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njetago Masi wa Dia wa Muriithi.